Well, their parents have plenty of money and they just want them to go to college and have that beautiful experience. Well, good luck with that. That's great. No problem. I'm not talking about those people. Then when they come out of college, they can go do whatever they want because they come from families that have, entitlement. Now, they may have created their own entitlement. That's great. That's what we want. You want to become wealthy in life so then your children and your children's children can do those things that they want to do, not those things that they have to do. I mean, the one thing you'd say about the Kennedys, yes, I'm talking about the Kennedys, now, do I agree with their politics? 90%, no. Well, maybe not 90, maybe 80, 85. Robert Jr. is doing pretty good these days. And if you've seen that guy working out, he's a beast. Anyhow, so they made all this money, like the Rockefellers, and then they get to go do what they want to do. They can be productive members of society. They just don't sit there and belong to every club and all the BS.